Today we are making Beetroot Bliss balls that are cheap to make and actually healthier. So, we've been doing a few recipes for you guys, and you've probably seen them already. Party foods, so easy party foods and healthier versions of party foods for mothers that are cheap to make and actually healthier. And you can make so many of them too. So today I'm going to show you how to make Beetroot Bliss balls. Not only can you use them for parties, you can actually use them for lunch boxes. Like our kids, when we go out for the day, we just get lots of these little Bliss balls, and they're so great because when they want chocolate or something sweet. So all you need is a food processor, and that's what I was actually using on the day, a food processor. We've got beetroot. What's in there?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. Raw beetroot. Oh, okay, you ready? So raw beetroot, good work.
That hurts me.
Did it? So we won't do that again, okay. So raw beetroot, dates, and I use Majul dates because they're soft and gooey and they really make Bliss balls super special and sweet. Okay. What else have we got? Can you tell me?
Coconut.
Coconut? Okay, there we go. Desiccated coconut in. So what else have we got? Cocoa, chocolate? Cocoa, okay, so we put some cocoa powder in there. Give it some chocolate flavour. And that is brown rice flour. And you can use oats. I do have oats in the recipe as well. But because my son is gluten-free, well, we try to get him gluten-free because we just find it works better for him. We use brown rice flour instead. And I just put some cashews in there. I'm going to process it until it's ready. So if you've got a food processor, you just keep processing. And once it starts to get sticky, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, and we are done. I just kept processing because I like it to be a bit more, like, not as clunky or chunky. I like it to have less chunks in it. Wow, look at that. And for some reason, I don't know whether it's the dates and the cocoa powder together, when you actually bite in it, it tastes like there's bits of chocolate in it, but there isn't. It's so tasty. Okay, so do you want to do some here as well? Do you want to make some little Bliss balls? Okay, so you just get a little bit in your hand. Now, if you make small ones, this is going to make so many. But I just make ones about that big, like the ones you get at the shops. This is so expensive when you go to the shops. I don't know about you mums, you think like, you want to give your kids healthy food, but you're like, oh man, those Bliss balls, those protein balls are so expensive. Whereas this is going to be so much cheaper, and you can use this as party food as well.
They look like this.
That's right, and you don't even feel bad when you give kids this at a party, even though it's sweet and delicious, because they're getting nutrients as well. So that's our Bliss balls. Should we put them on the little plate and show everyone what they look like? Oh yeah, they're really cool. Okay. Do you like these, Momo? Do you want to try one for us and tell us if it's really tasty? How tasty is it?
Good.
Is it 1 out of 5 or 5 out of 5?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. There you have it. Try our Bliss balls. If you want some more recipes, just go mumsathetable.com and go into the recipe site there in the page to find all our healthy recipes that are quick and easy for families to make. We'll see you next time with some more recipes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.